When it comes to making your home stand out, first impressions matter. The exterior of your house is the first thing visitors, neighbors, and even potential buyers notice. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to upgrade your home's exterior is through professional window replacement. At Scott Window Replacement, we specialize in transforming homes with high-quality windows that not only enhance curb appeal but also significantly increase property value. Elevating curb appeal with modern window design. Your windows are more than just glass panels that let in natural light. They are a central part of your home's architecture and style. Outdated, faded, or damaged windows can instantly make a home appear neglected. On the other hand, fresh, beautifully designed windows give your property a polished, modern, and inviting look. Scott Window Replacement offers a wide variety of styles, whether you prefer the classic elegance of double-hung windows, the clean lines of casement designs, or the expansive views of picture windows. Each option can be customized to complement your home's character, from traditional charm to sleek contemporary finishes. The result is a noticeable improvement in curb appeal that makes your home stand out on the block. Energy efficiency that pays off. Curb appeal is only part of the story. Today's homeowners and buyers care just as much about efficiency as they do about aesthetics. Older windows often allow drafts, causing higher heating and cooling costs. Scott Window Replacement provides modern, energy-efficient windows designed to keep your home comfortable year-round. With advanced materials, insulated glass, and precise installation, these windows reduce energy loss, lower utility bills, and create a more comfortable indoor environment. Buyers looking for a home appreciate knowing that windows won't need replacing anytime soon, and that translates into added value for your property. Increasing resale value. Real estate experts consistently note that window replacement ranks among the top home improvements with strong return on investment. A well-executed upgrade can return up to 70 to 80% of its cost when it comes time to sell. That's because new windows are a major selling point. Potential buyers view them as both a functional and cosmetic upgrade, eliminating the hassle of replacement while also enjoying the beauty and efficiency they bring. By choosing Scott Window Replacement, you're making a long-term investment that pays off in higher property value and stronger buyer interest. Low-maintenance solutions for busy homeowners. Another benefit of modern window replacement is reduced maintenance. Old wood frames may require frequent painting, sealing, or repair. Scott Window Replacement offers durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and composite that are built to last. These options resist weather damage, fading, and warping, keeping your home's exterior looking sharp with minimal upkeep. This is particularly appealing to buyers who want a move-in-ready home with fewer maintenance responsibilities. For current homeowners, it means less time worrying about repairs and more time enjoying the improved comfort and beauty of their living space. Tailored installation for a perfect fit. At Scott Window Replacement, every project begins with understanding your specific goals. Do you want to modernize the exterior, maximize natural light, or highlight a beautiful view? Our team helps you select the best styles, frames, and finishes to achieve your vision. Professional installation ensures your new windows fit seamlessly, eliminating gaps and delivering a flawless look that enhances both the interior and exterior of your home. Final thoughts. Investing in new windows is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's a strategic decision that improves curb appeal, boosts energy efficiency, and increases property value. With Scott Window Replacement, you can trust that your home will not only look its best but also perform better for years to come. Whether you're preparing to sell your house or simply want to enjoy a more stylish, comfortable home, our window replacement services provide lasting benefits that make a difference. Enhance your curb appeal, protect your investment, and take pride in your home with the expert solutions Scott Window Replacement delivers.